The Carolina Golf Cart rear seats by SGC are a premium seating option at an affordable price.
Flips open to a polymer diamond-plated cargo bed with additional storage area or beverage cooler.
Other features include a high-strength powder-coated steel frame, UV and fade-resistant marine-grade vinyl with custom stitching, contoured seats for extra comfort while you ride, and a safety grab bar for safe and easy loading and unloading of passengers. The Carolina rear seats are available for Club Car, EZGO, and Yamaha carts. Get yours today at PetesGolfCarts.com. The Carolina rear seat kit shown here is on a 2016 Club Car Precedent.